Hey YouTube, this is Florida Aquaman. We're out here in the Gulf of Mexico. It's a really nice day out. But I got another one for you. We're gonna do some nighttime spearing. And then I'm also gonna have some bonus footage of me doing a little bit of spearfishing. Just give you a little bit of sample for future videos. So here we go. There's a nice sheep's head right here, hiding in the grass. Barely seen. If you look closely, there's a black drum just creeping through the grass slowly. Swing and a miss. Subscribe to Florida Aquaman. And here's the bonus footage. A nice little group of mangroves. The Gulf was like a lake this day. Okay, back to gigging. Stay tuned. A nice black drum. This is a black drum I seen at the last minute. Had to gig a couple mullet for the smoker. Mullet are 100% the hardest fish to get, no doubt about it. Couple black drums sitting in a prop scar, you can see here. I just let them swim. They were a little small. Two black drum, but I could only gig one at a time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one. Florida Aquaman, out.